sabi mo, tandang accent mo, siyempre, tingnan liwayo.
Ah. Wait. At ka pa ka no England, oh. Oh, nanano ka kanya, no? We're in the Scotland and England border, amo.
I'm on the Scotland and no, I'm in the
That's the border.
England border.
Oh. Oh, no ka rin ka kanya, natyo ka kanya in England. Tsaka Scotland.
Accent mo kanya, siyempre, liwayo.
Alright.
Tsaka Scotland. Kay bat, oh, lumipat ka kano kay England.
Alright, okay. Hiya. Hello. I'm new to this country.
England, English accent. Oh, Scottish accent. Scottish accent.
Scottish accent.
Oh, you go to English accent. Kaya ni kang English.
Yeah, I can't talk.
Mulala. Moles.
I can't actually, but I'm in English right now.
Moles. Oh.
I'm a jumper. I'm always on the
Itang border kita. O tataya, diretso.
I'm in the middle, man. I'm in the middle.
Oh, you're in the middle of the border. Oh, tara na.
So what's the accent?
Welcome to Scotland.
Ah.
What does Alma mean? Scotland?
Picturean na kayo, Ken.